Okay guys, Naruto1 here, bringing you back with another video. Today we will be downloading Photoshop CC 2019 for free. So first we want to head over to All Games for You again. Click the first one. We're gonna go to Softwares in Adobe. Okay, yeah, let's just head back to the first tab. Let's keep scrolling down. We're finding a PC version for this, so yeah, here it is. Oh wait, no, it's not that one. Keep scrolling down. That's the Mac version. Here it is. So click on here. We want to install WinRAR. The updated version instructions are right there. It's step 2. Then click the mega link. It's gonna bring you over here. Click the download button and just wait till it finishes downloading. I also recommend downloading the app for Mega, so it's easier to open up your downloads as soon as they're done loading. Okay, so when that's done downloading, then we want to head over to our file explorer, go over to documents, and then Mega Sync downloads. Go over to AGFY Photoshop and click extract to AGFY Photoshop. Then this folder will pop up, Redist. You have to download that as well, the setup. Then you can go back and this folder will pop up with AGFY Photoshop. You want to press Adobe and then click the setup. Okay, so the last step is clicking setup. After you click that, it's gonna ask you for permission if you want to run it. Click yes, and then the installer is gonna pop up. Click the language you want to install Photoshop for. You can choose any language. I want English, so as you see there, it starts installing. So when it's finished installing and Photoshop pops up, you want to pin it to your taskbar once it's done, so you won't have to go over to your files and look all over the place for it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any other questions, just comment it down below. Like and subscribe as always, and yeah, also comment down below if you want me to do any other Adobe products. And yeah, peace.